have a few interesting jobs here for this week. On the background, you see the G-Class that just arrived for rust repairs. Here we have literally brand new Bronco, and we have extensive video on this one with installation of all the accessories, and now it's getting ready to do the rust proofing. And here, and that's what this video is going to be about. I have a set of AMG rims, and for those of you that have beautiful cars that look awesome, drive unbelievable, and bring a lot of joy, but anytime you walk by the car and you see a blemish on the rim, or maybe at some point it gets really bad and you get some vibrations that cannot be addressed even with the best in class road force balancing, and then we get involved and we have several partners. So we would remove the wheels from the vehicle, remove the tires from the rims. We'll diagnose and identify which rims going to need cosmetic only damage or cosmetic straightening, and sometimes certain rims, even if they have cracks, they can be repaired. So this set of rims came from the SL 550 with an AMG Sport package, and they just came back from one of our partners, and we're very selective who we work with depending on the type of the rim. So these are quite challenging rims because they have, not only in their alloy rims, not only they're painted, but they have a certain surface that's called machined. So you can see it's machined, and then everything is protected with a clear coat. In our opinion, now that they're done, they're in a better condition to be on the road than when they were new. Somehow the clear coat that was used was not very durable and often would start peeling, causing corrosion of exposed aluminum. So if you own your vehicle since new and they have never been restored, the AMG rims, most likely we can restore your rims. What you want to pay attention to is this. If you don't know if your rims were restored or not ever, maybe you purchased the vehicle used, you want to look at this distance here. And every time you machine, and you have to machine to get down through the depth, because any gouges or imperfections in the aluminum, they gouge in. So you need to take or maybe a corrosion on the rim, it goes into the aluminum. In that case, this surface will be machined, and every time you machine it, it takes away from this depth, and you can only go so far. So for example, this rim has about, I would say, a little less than 1/4 inch, maybe 5 mils. And you can see this little bevel taken down. So this is done exactly to mimic the original appearance of this area. So this is definitely top-notch work. And there's enough material left, so if it will need to be worked on in the future, there's probably going to be one pass left. And you can just see how gorgeous these are. So take a look at your rims, at the rims on your vehicle. And if you're not happy with them, give us a call at AlphaCars, 978-263-9000, or visit us on alphacars.com. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Dimitri, and until next time.